What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Orolua Toby. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for joining us. Today we are going to be blending the color 613 and the color 35. Yes, that is 35. I'm definitely sure of that. So as you can see, this is a different background. Everything looks different. I'm currently in at the salon. I was about to like make this blend for a client. I'd done it like a couple times and I did not record it, and I realized that it was not on my channel yet. So I just tried to like quickly do a blend for you guys before my client comes, while we're still like prepping her for her service basically. So yeah, we are just going to be doing the old blending thingy, nothing unique, as I say in all my videos. Now for the newbies in here, we love to blend completely in here, like we blend till our hands drop till we cannot see each colors, like each individual colors in the blend basically. Now for this blend, basically because I'm using it for my clients, I'm not going to be doing it the way we usually do it. Normally we do like different sections of the braid. We try to like do we try to like blend both colors equally. Then after that we blend one more of one color, and then less of one color, then more of another color, and less of another color basically. But since I'm using this for my clients, I just decided to like do like the normal blend. Actually this is still not the normal blend because there's more of the color 35 in this blend and less of the color 613. Yeah, I just actually remember that there's more of the color 35 here, just so that there's more of the like brown tone by the time we are done with the old blend. And I absolutely love this blend. If you are still quite, what's the word, if you're still quite confused, or should I say skeptical, yes, skeptical is a better word. If you're still quite skeptical about blends and you don't want to like do too much, or you don't like loud colors, you just want something like really subtle and still very beautiful and unique, this is the blend that you should do. Color 35 is like a light brown kind of ish. It is really beautiful even on its own. And then 613 is just to give it that oomph that we need. You understand me? Good. Basically, so that's just it. I really love it. My client loved it at the end of the day. Goodness, it was beautiful. And then the style that we used this hair blend for was like a layered braid kind of thing, and goodness, it was absolutely stunning. Like I loved this so much. It was beautiful. Everything was just giving. I feel like that hairstyle, yeah, the this color was just made for that hairstyle. It was it was stunning, really stunning, really beautiful. I feel like after the braids I have on, I'll probably do this blend for myself because I really love it. But now all my clients have started doing it, so I don't think I want to do it again. It's too much. It's everywhere. My clients are doing it. A lot of my clients have already done it, and I'm tired. So yeah, we are just going to be blending and blending till basically all the individual colors are well blended. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the braid that we made with this blend. It was beautiful, as I've said earlier. Now if you have watched till this point, please do not forget to hit that like button, give it a big thumbs up if you are enjoying it. I have a whole list of playlists for blends, and I'm going to also link it at the end of this video, just in case you would love to see blends, in case you are like confused about what blend you should do or what they look like. I have a playlist for blends. If you also have like blend requests, please drop them in the comment section below, and I will definitely do them and let you know when they are up. I love you guys, and basically I will see you in the next one. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel as well. It really does help the channel. Drop beautiful comments in the comment section below. And yeah, this is basically the final result. As you can see, the brown is still browning, but it's giving a little bit of should I say chocolate? Yeah, like, you know when you mix milk with chocolate and then you've not like blended it well together. Yeah, that is what this look is giving. I really loved it. I brought the light closer so you guys can like see exactly what it looks like. It's not too brown and it's not too white. It's like a faded brown kind of thing. Yeah, and you guys, this is my client's hair. This hair is beautiful. It is stunning. It looks absolutely stunning on her. Like this blend, you people should not sleep on it. This 2023. Everyone's gonna be doing it. Your grandmothers, your mothers, your aunts, your sisters. Yeah, everyone is going to be doing this blend this 2023 because it is really, really beautiful. I decided to show another client of mine that used this blend as well, just because I can. Yeah, and you guys, that is the end of this video. I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Bye. Subscribe.